looks like Amy's asking right here in Las Vegas, which rotary goes with which machine? Well, basically there's two options for pro and there's a single option for hobby. So the hobby has a friction. It's a little bit
smaller
than this, obviously, so it can fit in the
same
laser.
Concept.
But it's basically the same exact concept. And they have wheels on the bottom that the object sits on. And then the Pro also has a chuck rotary, which is also available for the fiber lasers as well. So that's another beautiful thing about the fiber lasers above getting a, what do you call it, instead of a hobby laser. You can get two hobby lasers for the price of a single fiber laser, sure, but even with both of those running nonstop, you can never go faster than the single fiber laser. That's the thing I think is the bare bones argument. If I was just doing tumblers, if that was my main goal, getting a laser, I wouldn't even consider getting a CO2 laser. There's tons of useful things a CO2 laser does that would make me want one that a fiber laser could never do.
Yeah, I would say it's more versatile.
Absolutely, much more versatile. I wouldn't pick it over the other, but if my only purpose was doing tumblers or knives or whatever, hands down wouldn't even consider the CO2, would definitely go for the fiber.